Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash, number Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold slides after finding record high, and this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So my dear friends, finally we can see gold taking risk because for the last couple of days and weeks, gold was unstoppable. And right now, after making a high of 2955, gold is sideways. Okay. So still no sign of trend reversal yet, but at least market is taking risk. Because at one point, okay, it seemed like that gold will be flying towards 3000 level. It will break 3000. It will fly towards 3150. Gold was unstoppable. But now we can see that gold is finding some spot. At first, let's look at the daily chart of gold. As we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that my dear friends, gold was standing at swing high. Gold is still standing at the record high and no sign of trend reversal. And that is a big problem for swing traders and position traders. For example, in this situation, if gold goes up also, as a day trader, you can look for a buy at breakout for 40 to 50 pips. But if you're a swing trader, if you're a positional trader, your trades will be there for a couple of days and couple of weeks. And in this situation, holding a buy trade at breakout for a couple of days and couple of weeks is extremely high risk because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. There will have to be some correction because of supply and demand. And right now there is no proper correction yet. Obviously, we are not talking about trend reversal. Trend reversal means selling pressure will be there on gold, market will be in downtrend for a couple of days and weeks. No, trend reversal is a different story. For that, we need a big news. During the weekend, if any news comes out, that is a different story. But while recording the video, we do not have any news regarding the trend reversal of gold. Okay, so as of now, it seems that if gold shows selling pressure also, on Monday or Tuesday, it will just be a technical correction and it will be a temporary thing. If we can find gold around 2850 or 2800 also, that will be very good for us, both for day traders, both for swing traders, position traders, because market will be behaving normally, market will be performing normally. Position traders, swing traders will be able to buy again around these levels. Otherwise, you just need to sit and watch the market. Okay. So if you have any ongoing buy on the chart of gold, you can hold your buy position, okay, but it will be better for you to book 50% or 60 to 70% of the profit. But still, you can hope that market will be going above 2955, so you can hold your buy position. But if you're looking for a fresh position as a swing trade or a positional trade, then obviously, as discussed, this is not the ideal time because the daily chart, okay, is standing at the top. Okay, market is forming dojis and spinning tops. It is showing indecision. So it is not the wise thing to do right now. So whatever we have in front of us are high risk levels. So mostly for day traders only. And obviously there is no doubt that overall trend of the market is very much or super bullish. But if you look at the present trend of gold here, then for the last 2 days, we can see the market is sideways. But still, okay, still taking a sell position is high risk because overall trend is still bullish. And so it will be better for us to look for buy positions only. So under normal circumstances in a sideways market, buy at support and sell at resistance. Buy at support and sell at resistance is the best running strategy. But gold is super bullish. At this moment, market is in consolidation or market is sideways, but the overall chart is super bullish. So if you're looking for a safe trades, okay, then it will be better for us to stick to the buy levels only. Because in trading, there is no such thing as 100% accuracy. So as a trader, we always need to look for the higher probability. And right now we have high probability here on the buy side. Okay, so our support around 2916 did a fine job after the market opening. If we see gold coming down, okay, we can look for the next buy around 2907 to 2905. The support around 291617, okay, is no longer valid because if market comes down with high selling pressure with big red candles, then this level will no longer Remember yesterday 291516 was our first support, but 291516 is no longer the first support for Monday. If you see market is very slow, market is very dull, forming small candles, okay, then you can look for support around 291617 area. Otherwise, our next support will be 290705. If market takes support, we can look for a buy, and our second support will be around 2893 to 2888. This is our second support on the chart of gold. Our support around 287577 is still valid, but chances of market going to this support of 287577 is very less. So let's stick to the immediate levels. The first one is 290705, because you can already see we have FEB 61.8% retracement level, plus the previous resistance will be working as support. We are considering 2892 to 888 area because of FEB 78.6% retracement level, and we have previous support around this area. So if market comes down, we can look for support. And if you see the market is very slow, market is going down, but market is very slow, very low volume on Monday, then you can look for support around 2910 area. But 2910 is not an official support for us, it's a weak support. Clear? One of the most common question that I get from people is that, Avilash, what is the best broker? Okay, please suggest a good broker for me. If you're also looking for a reliable broker, not happy with your current broker right now, then just visit my website and you will find two options. Just select your trading style. If you're a day trader, click here, and if you're a swing trader, then just select this option. If you're a day trader, then you can easily go with star trader, because low spread is your first priority. On gold, you will get a spread of only 17 to 18. Star is a tier 1 licensed broker. It's also a member of the Financial Commission and also provides insurance up to $1 million. There will be no commission, no extra charges. And if you're a resident of India, you'll also get swap free account. Initially, the spread will be around 27 on gold, but after the account opening, just make the deposit and just WhatsApp me that, Avilash, this is my account number. Okay, just reduce the spread. Okay, I will do the needful. Okay, and if you're a swing trader, then obviously you don't want to pay swap charges, isn't it? Then you can go with Vantage. Okay, your spread will be little higher, but your first priority as a swing trader is no swap overnight charges, isn't it? So your spread on gold will be around 22 to 25, but it will be a swap free account. Vantage doesn't require any introduction. Okay, it's a tier 1 licensed broker, member of the Financial Commission, and it also provides insurance up to $1 million. Okay, you can also go with multi-bank. If you're a resident of UAE, then you must be knowing about multi-bank. Okay, so multi-bank also provides swap free account, but the spread is a little bit on the higher side. Okay, and if you're confused, okay, then just WhatsApp me to this number and just write, I will suggest the best broker for me. I will help you out. And on the other hand, if we see it after the market opening, market is going up, then obviously I will not suggest any sell opportunity, because those are high risk, because we will be going against the trend of the market. As we have already discussed in our other videos also, instead of quantity, we need to focus on quality. And this is a high risk. But if you're an experienced trader, then you can look for a sell around 2947 to 2950 because of previous price rejection around the area. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, then you can look for a sell. Similarly, around 2955 also you can look for a sell position if you see the market is struggling. But again, I'm repeating, these are high risk and only for experienced traders or scalpers only. If you are struggling with the market, if you if you're failing to become a consistent profitable trader, okay, then obviously, okay, forget about these levels and stick to these only. Means buy at retracement or buy at breakout. Clear? So 2955, 2940, 4750 are optional selling levels for the high risk traders. Okay, and on Monday, if we see gold going above 2957, obviously we can look for buy at breakout. But at first, let's wait for the market to open. I don't think so that right after the market opening, gold will be flying and gold will be going above 2957. Chances are very less. But if gold does that, then obviously we have no other choice but to follow the trend of the market again. and we can look for buy at above 2957. But at this moment, okay, let's wait and watch how does the market open. That will be more important for us. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, the overall trend of the market is undoubtedly very bullish, but as we all know, gold is standing at a very fragile, delicate zone right now. Okay, so it will be better for us, okay, not to look for any new swing and positional trades. If market comes down for retracement, it will be very good for us because right now this is not the ideal time. And slowly the safe haven card is also fading out because we can see that no longer it is working and gold is in consolidation. So on Monday, if market comes and takes support around 2907, 290705 area, we can look for a bounce. If market takes support, we can look for a buy. On the other hand, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Wait for the right time. Second support is around 289293 to 2888 area. Second support, if market takes support, we can buy there as well. And if market goes up, high risk traders and experienced traders can look for a sale around these two levels. If you're a beginner, intermediate trader struggling with the market, then just avoid because your risk to reward ratio will not match. Maybe you can score around 30-40 pips, but your stop loss will be 50 to 60 pips. And it will be better for you to look for buying at breakout only, means buy above 2957. Okay, and stick to the news. Okay, stay in touch with the news. Any news may bring some volatility right after the market opening. So when I'm recording the video, there is no major news, but nobody knows, okay, during the weekend, if any major news comes out, okay, then obviously we will see the reaction of the market on Monday. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.